21 para SF, and it's like 10 years we got married. My husband died in Operation Zabat in Manipur. I have a 5-year-old son. I have done my schooling from Dehradun. I'm an arts graduate. After that, I worked with hospitality sector, which was altogether a different work profile than army. I worked there as a boutique counselor. I was doing more into dealing with jewelries and the designing of the clothes. Where in the hospitality sector, where the grooming and smile was part of my uniform. Here I have landed in different organizations that completely changed my lifestyle. Since I have come here, everything like the training was not difficult. As I look back at the past, that was the most difficult part. And after coming here, moreover, I feel the army has trained me so well. If I would have stayed at home, that would have been the difficult part, because I might be struggling with emotions and without my husband. Here I am all the time, 24/7. We are occupied with training, and we are grooming ourselves. We have learned a lot in the training.
Any particular reason why you chose to do what you're doing now?
Me and my husband, we fell in love with each other while talking about army. I've seen him talking about army, his dedication for the work, profession, and I was second in his priority list. So today
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Lady Cadet Nikita Gupta. I hail from New Delhi. I am a civil engineer. So my motivation to join army was I always wanted to serve my nation. And in my college time, I published 2 national and 2 international journals. And after completing my civil engineering, I was working for a corporate firm. And it was then when I realized that it's high time that I should go for my dreams, and that is how I appeared for army. And in my first attempt, I was able to crack it. And it's been 1 year that I got trained by the Indian Army, and I can very proudly say that now I'm a very different person. I'm a completely changed personality who's not only physically very strong, but yes, the training of Indian Army has made me mentally and emotionally very strong. After 2013. Initially, it was a little difficult because see, corporate life is just about 9 to 5, and then the work there is very different. And when I came here, so my entire routine was changed. Waking up early in the morning, then going for PT, drill, and then going for lectures. So I was very much occupied, and this is something that I wanted in my life. I didn't want any single moment of my life to get wasted. So I can say that here, how my time goes by, I mean, I'm not even for a single second I'm free here. So this kind of lifestyle is what I always wanted. A disciplined life, a life which has a meaning, and that's what I've got.
Before coming to the army, I completed my schooling for different Kendriya Vidyalayas of India, and I have completed my graduation in BA English Honours from Government College Faridabad. I have been a national level boxer. I played 4 times national in boxing, 1 international medal in kickboxing, 1 senior national medal in wushu. Apart from this, I have played basketball at pre-national level and Central India Championship also. I have done my mountaineering courses, basic and advanced, and served as an instructor at Gym and WS Pahalgam, that is located at JNK. And in both courses, I have got alpha grading. Apart from this, I love to travel, and I have traveled almost like I have covered many parts of India, and I love to do biking and mountaineering, that like it's my passion to being in adventure. And the sole purpose of joining Indian Army is that love for the adventure and uniform. Many adventure sports like parasailing, mountaineering, whatever sports you name it, Army have it. And equal opportunity to both lady officer and a gentleman officer is there in the Army. So I'm looking forward, and I will be very happy if I get an opportunity to pursue my
To be very honest, I have no one from army background and I have no idea what army would be like, and especially the training. So I can see that army have certain good things or bad things. By looking at the uniform they wear, the respect they get, the dignity that we have after becoming an army and wearing the dress smartly. So I would say that inspired me to join the army. I am from the central part of Bhutan, that is western, towards the west, but considered central. So there the weather is very favorable. So Chennai, being in Chennai for 11 months, the weather was the most, it was very hard for me, especially when I first came here. It was the summer zone. That time the weather was very harsh. So I would say that the weather was the most difficult part for me to change.
I'm sure you earn much less now, is that fine?
It's fine, sir. If you are getting something more better than money, it's all good. So they are happy. They have that. Obviously, there are expenses also. So my manager was happy available. But my client is also he is an army man. So he wanted to he said that it's fine. So just take care and
I'm from Maharashtra, and my village is actually near Pune, where I completed my education till 12th. For further education, I came to Pune. I joined Bachelor of Computer Science, but I could not do well there. In the last year, I got backlogs. I was year down that time, and so to support myself, to support my family, I thought that I would do something. So I started driving Ola cab. I was enjoying it. So one fortunate day, I got a trip from the retired colonel. So I was having interaction with him. So he told me that why are you wasting your time and your energy here? There are many opportunities and all. So he explained me this serious thing that time, and he encouraged me. He literally encouraged me to join that. These are opportunities waiting for you, youngsters like you. Then I took things I can tell my friends, my colleagues there that there are many opportunities. If you think you want, they are waiting for you. So you just need to do some hard work, the extra work. So that is the thing that I can go to my people and I can tell them that there are things waiting for you. Please don't tell. Okay, my family background is my father was a driver, but in one accident he lose his both knees. So he was working as a workman, and I have a brother. My mother is same like we have farming business like farms, and my brother is working in TCS. He's HR there.